Hello everyone. In this video we will do addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. First is the sum or difference of two like terms is a like term with coefficient equal to the sum or difference of the coefficients of the two like terms. Now to understand this, let us take an example. Let us take two like terms. First is 8xy, second is 3xy. Coefficient of 8xy is 8 and coefficient of 3xy is 3. Therefore, coefficient of difference of 8xy and 3xy is equal to 8 minus 3xy, which is further equal to 5xy. And coefficient of sum of 8xy and 3xy is equal to sum of the coefficient of 8xy and 3xy, that is 8 plus 3xy, which is further equal to 11xy. Next, one of the important point which is required, that when we add two algebraic expressions, then the like terms are added as above and the unlike terms are left as they are. Based on addition and subtraction of algebraic expression, let us do some question of exercise 12.2. First is question number 1. Simplify combining like terms. So first we have question number 1, third part, p minus q minus q minus q minus p. So let us simplify. P, now open this bracket, we get minus p minus minus plus, so it becomes plus q minus q, again open this bracket, we get minus q minus minus plus p. Now combine the like terms, we get p minus p plus p. So this is the one group of like terms, and then also combine the another group of like terms, that is q minus q minus q. Therefore, p minus p plus p is equal to p. Q minus q minus q is equal to minus q. Therefore, p minus q is a required simplified form of p minus q minus q minus q minus p. So this is the required simplified form. Next is fourth part, 3a minus 2b minus ab minus within bracket a minus b plus ab plus 3ab plus b minus c. Now first of all, open this bracket, we get 3a minus 2b minus ab minus a minus minus plus b minus plus minus ab plus 3ab plus b minus c. Now combine the like terms, we get 3a minus a and minus a. So this is the first group of like terms. Next, combine minus 2b plus b and again plus b. So this is the second group of like terms. Next, combine minus ab minus ab plus 3ab. So this is the another group of like terms. Now 3a minus a is equal to a. Minus 2b plus b is equal to 0. Minus ab plus 3ab is equal to ab. Therefore, a plus ab with the required simplified form of this expression. Next is fifth part, 5x square y minus 5x square plus 3yx square minus 3y square plus x square minus y square plus 8xy square minus 3y square. So first of all, combine the like terms, we get 5x square y plus 3yx square. So this is the first group of like terms. Next, minus 5x square plus x square. This is the second group of like terms. Next, minus 3y square minus y square minus 3y square. So this is the another group of like terms. Since 8xy square is unlike term, so we will write 8xy square as it is. Now after this, 5x square y plus 3yx square is equal to 8x square y. Minus 5x square plus x square is equal to minus 4x square. Minus 3y square minus y square minus 3y square is equal to 7y square. And 8xy square will remain as it is. So 8x square y minus 4x square minus 7y square plus 8xy square is the required simplified form of the given algebraic expression. Next is sixth part. 3y square plus 5y minus 4 within bracket minus 8y minus y square minus 4 within bracket. So first of all, open this bracket. We get 3y square plus 5y minus 4 minus 8y minus minus plus y square, again minus minus plus 4. Now combine the like terms. We get 3y square plus y square. This is the first group of like term. Next 5y minus 8y. This is the second group of like terms. Next minus 4 plus 4. This is the another group of like terms. Now 3y square plus y square is equal to 4y square plus 5y minus 8y is equal to minus 3y. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. Therefore 4y square minus 3y with the required simplified form of given algebraic expression. Next is question number 2. Add fifth part. 14x plus 10y minus 12xy minus 13, comma 18 minus 7x minus 10y plus 8xy, comma 4xy. Here we have three algebraic expression and we have to add these three algebraic expression. Now let us do this by column method. According to this method, we write the given algebraic expression one below the other with the like terms appearing exactly below the like terms. Therefore, according to this method, first of all, write first algebraic expression here, 14x plus 10y minus 12xy minus 13. Now write the second algebraic expression below this algebraic expression with the like terms appearing exactly below the like terms. Therefore, we get minus 7x minus 10y plus 8xy plus 18. Now write the third algebraic expression below these algebraic expression with the like term appearing exactly below the like terms, that is write 4xy here. Now add these algebraic expression. So we get 14x minus 7x, 7x plus 10y minus 10y, 0, minus 12xy plus 8xy plus 4xy, 0, minus 13 plus 18, we get 5. Therefore, 7x plus 5 be the required solution of the given. Next is sixth part. Add 5m minus 7n, comma, minus 3n minus 4m plus 2, comma, 2m minus 3mn minus 5. Again, let us do this by column method. According to this method, write the given algebraic expression one below the other with the like terms appearing exactly below the like terms. Therefore, we get 5m minus 7n minus 4m plus 3n plus 2. Next, plus 2m minus 3mn minus 5. Now add these we get 5m minus 4m plus 2m is equal to 3m, minus 7n plus 3n minus 4n, plus 2 minus 5 minus 3, and then minus 3mn. So this is the required solution. Next is seventh part. Add 4x square y minus 3xy square minus 5xy square and 5x square y. Again, let us do by column method. So according to this method, write the given algebraic expression one below the other with the like terms appearing exactly below the like terms. So we get 4x square y and then 5x square y and then minus 3x y square and then 5x y square. Now on adding we get 4 plus 5 9x square y and minus 3 minus 5 minus 8x y square. So this is the required solution. Next is 8th part. 3p square q square minus 4pq plus 5 comma minus 10p square q square comma 15 plus 9pq plus 7p square q square. Now let us do this question by horizontal method. According to this method, we write all the given algebraic expression in one row with positive sign. So according to this method, we get 3p square q square minus 4pq plus 5 plus minus 10p square q square plus 15 plus 9pq plus 7p square q square. After this, we combine the like terms and then simplify. So first of all, combine the like terms. We get 3p square q square minus 10p square q square plus 7p square q square. So this is the first group of like term. Next, minus 4pq plus 9pq. This is the second group of like terms. Next, 5 plus 15. This is the another group of like terms. Now 3p square q square minus 10p square q square plus 7p square q square is equal to 0. Minus 4pq plus 9pq is equal to 5pq. 5 plus 15, which is equal to 20. Therefore 5pq plus 20 is the required answer. Next is 9th part. ab minus 4a comma 4b minus ab comma 4a minus 4b. Now again let us do this by horizontal method. So according to this method, write all these three algebraic expression in one row with positive sign. So we get ab minus 4a plus 4b minus ab plus 4a minus 4b, which can be further written as without bracket ab minus 4a plus 4b minus ab plus 4a minus 4b. Now combine the like terms. We get ab minus ab. This is the first group of like term. Minus 4a plus 4a. This is the second group of like term. Next, plus 4b minus 4b. This is the another third group of like term. Now ab minus ab is equal to 0. Minus 4a plus 4, 0. 4b minus 4b, again 0. Therefore 0 be the required solution of these algebraic expression. Next is 10th part. X square minus y square minus 1 comma y square minus 1 minus x square comma 1 minus x square minus y square. Again Let us do this by horizontal method. So according to this method, write all the three algebraic expression in one row with the positive sign. So we get x square minus y square minus 1 plus y square minus 1 minus x square plus 1 minus x square minus y square, which can be further written as, without bracket, x square minus y square minus 1 plus y square minus 1 minus x square plus 1 minus x square minus y square. Now combine the like terms. We get x square minus x square minus x square, x square minus x square minus x square. This is the first group of like term. Next, minus y square plus y square minus y square. This is the second group of like terms. Next, combine minus 1 plus 1. This is the third group of like terms. Now x square minus x square minus x square is equal to minus x square. Minus y square plus y square minus y square is equal to minus y square. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So this is the required solution for the given algebraic expression.